G'day crew, I'm Oscar Pelazon and welcome to another episode of Tube Time Tuesday. And well, it's almost Christmas and I thought I'd deliver a pre-Christmas message of hope, goodwill and wishing everyone a wonderful festive season. Sound like King Charles delivering the royal Christmas message. But seriously, I do want you to take a moment to reflect and be grateful for the year that was, 2023. It's easy at this time of the year to get caught up in running around, trying to meet our client deadlines, all of which miraculously need to get done just before Christmas, despite pestering them for the last 6 months that shit needs doing and we're ready to go, right? We've all been there, right? Or it's running around and buying Christmas presents or dealing with the whole family schmozzle and people taking time off and all that sort of stuff, right? And regardless of your industry and profession, add on having to get that Christmas shopping done and the dread of having to spend all day with a bunch of family that you're not really interested in seeing. And by that, I mean your extended family, not your partner and kids. We're often exhausted and we're just trying to get to the finish line. But I want you to take a moment to reflect on the year of your successes, right? The things that you appreciate and the people in your business that you're grateful for. I'll go first. Successes. Well, I launched the boardroom again this year, and despite being really fearful of falling flat on my face, no one liking it, it's been a shitload of fun, and I've received such kind and supportive feedback about the videos that you'll get me all holidays and next year too. So you're winning, right? Appreciation. I'm appreciative of the balance in my life and that my business brings me and the wonderful experience that I get to have from regularly traveling to Shark Bay to work with a client and experience the wonders of our Northwest, to the wonderful learnings I get from every coaching session, to getting to do what I love and getting paid for it, right? And the third thing is gratitude. What am I grateful for in business? I'm grateful for each and every one of you who follow me, who stop for a second as you scroll and see if I've said anything that piques your interest, who like, comment, and share my posts. You crew rock. Thank you for the support, the kind words, often from the most unexpected people and at the most unexpected times. It's awesome. So now, I'd like you to do the same thing. Take a moment, reflect, write down 3 things. A success that you've had this year, something that you appreciate, and someone that you are grateful for in your business. Have a great festive season. Enjoy the break for those that can. And if you're working, don't work too hard. That's it for me. I look forward to seeing you next week for another episode of Tube Time Tuesday. Happy days. You.